what do we take instead of an antacid? If you are not on a prescription antacid, and if you're just doing over the counter, here's the deal about stomach acid. When you get older, you don't have that much stomach acid. So we want to have stomach acid because we need to digest the food, needs to get in there and mix around. And like a washing machine, it needs to mix and turn and everything in order for it to get broken down completely. Why we get acid reflux is a lot of reasons, but probably overfilling the stomach, and then it's pushing up against the little valve between the stomach and the esophagus. That can cause it. Just too much sugar. Sugar is really acidic. Too many sodas, too much coffee, stress. All those things can impact your stomach acid and make it too acidic. But most people have a problem because they don't have enough stomach acid. Want to receive nutritional insights to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.